What my church in this context means is that the church belongs to God. And because of this, I am going to emphasize three things that this my church connotes. One is divine ownership of the church. Two connotes divine involvement in the affairs of the church. And number three, divine warning about the church. Finally, we say that my church connotes divine warning. Divine warning. What is this divine warning? In other words, God is saying, this is my church, you beware. He's telling anybody that wants to antagonize the church, beware, the owner is here. Hey, I will do something. Why I will not talk much about this? I heard Dr. Omar. He said something about it, and other preachers here, they have been saying, even this CD that I just mentioned about, listen, divine judgment will soon descend. Hey, God has not gone on leave. Oh. It is Osueke that retired. God has not retired. And he will never retire. But because evil men are not quickly brought to judgment, because of that, people will make up their mind to perpetrate evil. God is longer suffering. Not that he will never act. God will act. My church, beware. My little boy, Adam Shinobi, I think when he was it about 11 or something like that, or 12, he was schooling at ABJS in Owerri. That is what do you call it? Bethel. He was schooling there. He came home one holidays. He told me a story. He said that a big boy, if you go to secondary school, you know what a big boy and all this is. So he said a senior like that, just walked up to him one day without notice, gave him, I think it is that type of slap that they call dirty one. Gave him a dirty slap and walked out as a big boy, very proud. Said he looked at him and looked at him. What did I do to this boy? What did I do? Well, as he was still thinking about it, after the boy had gone far, talked with somebody, he came back to him. Come. Is it true? Are you GS son? Are you son of GS Osueke? He said, yes, I am. He said, I beg, sorry here. Sorry. Don't tell him. Sorry. By this time, had my boy increased his height? Had he added some inches to his height? His size was the same person. But what is it that makes the difference now? Whom his father is. Whom his father is. Let me tell you, this church belongs to God. Let us present it that way to our people. Don't tell God what to do in his church. Let God tell you what you should do in your church. Don't tell him who should be in what position. Let God tell you who will be in what position. I still believe that our structure is the best. I still believe that our structure is excellent. It needs improvement. Yes, I know. But I am so glad. I have seen so many significant members come to say, "Sir, I'm not leaving this church. I will see the end of it. I am not leaving." How many of you are not leaving? You mean you will remain in this church with me? Watch out. Before long, the story will be everywhere. It will be everywhere. Let us continue to uphold this church. Our leaders handle this church with care. It is not your own.